Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back for another video. Today, I'm with my friend Dominic, and we're gonna have a bit of a fire at the lake. Same as last time, pretty much the exact same spot. So, yeah, let's get the fire started. As you can see, we have a tarp to hopefully set up a little bit of a shelter because it's raining. These are our tools. So yeah, let's get the shelter set up. Third stick maybe would have been better. Whew. Got a nice little pile of shavings, small sticks up to big sticks. Let's get the fire started. Yeah, we got our little setup.
We got the setup going, guys.
Let's do a 360 of the tarp shed. Don't worry, we're not going to stay here tonight.
Maybe.
It's nice and open in the back, nice ventilation. Got this stick that's barely holding on.
I got the light.
And yeah, this is going to be our little fire spot. probably move my knife before it burns. We have a fire. We actually have a portable fire. Yeah, because if I want, I can just pick up all these like sticks and move them around very easily. Because it's only on a few 2x4s. Literally a portable fire, and it won't get wet from the ground. Boom. Let's hope the tarp doesn't fly onto the fire. That would be kind of tragic. Yeah.
Can I make some more fucking fling or whatever?
I guess you'd say that. Pimpin'. You're making me nervous, man. Is this your little table?
Are you gonna sit right there?
What do you mean?
You're gonna sit right there?
Kinda, maybe. Unless it rains more. For now, I'm chilling. I might actually want to go in there in a bit.
Well, let me set up everything before you get in here.
Okay.
So you just have to wait out there for a bit longer. It's actually raining a lot more now. Right as you said that.
Yeah, it
It
is.
started pouring, dude.
Good thing we got the tarp set up.
Got the tarp, got... Watch out, it's gonna be right here. That might be too much.
I wonder if the fire will survive.
I don't know, we better put water or wood on it. Make sure. I was thinking more of that kindling, bro.
You wanna do a cherry bomb? Dude, that's right on the GoPro. The GoPro's probably heating up from the flame and the sparks.
Yeah, I'm just hoping there's not a big gush of wind and this all falls down.
Like that? The stick just landed on me.
Yeah, you can move that out
Oh,
the
that
way.
burns.
Throw that stick out the way, dude. We don't need it.
A spark just hit my nose.
Oh shit, it just got a lot smaller in here, didn't it? But that's because this isn't on top of this. That's why I like it to have hanging. Perfect.
We have to make repairs.
No? Pretty good.
It's alright. Get a bit closer pressure. This is fun making YouTube videos, just like if I have like not really any ideas for what to film, fire out here is perfect.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Panic. Panic.
Panic.
Panic.
Panic.
Dude, the whole tarp is just gone. That was a close one. Probably just want to hit soft sand. Move it back further. See? This is a 5. Dude, forgot the Red Bulls. It's starting to rain more.
Yeah, get more wood on that. Oh yeah.
Boom.
This is really strong stuff, Ryan.
Nice. Kind of like it a bit dim though.
It's a bit in.
Dude, you put this stuff in the rain, you know. This weed of grinder, the grinder of weed,
Shit.
just got rained on, so I'm gonna be smoking wet weed.
Yeah.
Probably gonna cop a lot.
I should get some more weed.
Ooh. You wanna drink these?
Yeah, should have said the weed.
Are we ready to drink the Red Bulls?
I'm ready to drink the Red Bulls. Alright guys, we're gonna chug these Red Bulls.
Shotgun. We're gonna shotgun it?
I'm not gonna knife it, I'll chug it.
For real?
No way you're using your teeth. Cheers.
Cheers. Should I light the next joint?
Yeah. Whew. You know how many calories are in this?
200?
Too many.
Maybe.
Fuck yeah.
That didn't work.
Huh?
That didn't work.
Will you try to light it?
No, I tried to throw the cans in. You wanna hit?
Yes, I do.
There they go.
Riley, I'm getting smoked out, dude.
Getting smoky in there, eh?
Dude, I'm getting smoked out.
It's a nice little fire.
Dude, I can't breathe.
What are you gonna do, bruh? Panic.
I know what to do.
The rain's picking up.
Leave it, right? Watch out.